Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.4 10th problem. So today let us discuss this problem in another way. So before I told these problems in three methods. So now let us discuss the fourth method. Now 10th problem, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. First given one, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So he gave us a relation this one. So think this one as equation number 1. So by looking this one, I got a identity. So we know identity. So in terms of cosecant and cot, we have a identity, that is identity number 3. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. If you observe, it is looking in the form of a square minus b square. Here a is cosecant and b is cot. A square minus b square means it is a plus b into a minus b. So write it in that way. So it will become cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta. So he gave us a relation. He gave us a thing, that is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So you can substitute in cosecant theta plus cot theta plus k. K into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So by this one, just I wrote this one in a plus b into a minus b. So that one also it will become 1 only, means cosecant square theta minus cot square theta only now. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant minus cot is equal to 1. So k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So now transmitting this k to this side, it will become cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Think this one as equation number 2. Now add equation number 1 plus equation number 2. What is equation number 1? Equation number 1, he gave us a thing, that one I took as, he gave us a relation, that one I took as equation number 1. Equation number 1 I took that one. So now add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 we got, he gave a relation, that one only I took as equation number 1, that is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. That one I took as equation number 1. And now after doing this all, we got 1 by k as equation number 2. So that is cosecant minus cot. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, and cosecant minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So add these both equations. So here cot will be cancelled, and cosecant plus cosecant it will become 2 cosecant theta and k plus 1 by k. Now k plus 1 by k means, so 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k, no? So it will become, taking LCM k, it will become k square plus 1 by k. Now you need cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means transmit the 2 to that side. Then it will become cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k into 1 by 2. Now cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. K into 2, 2k. Now cosecant theta you can write it as inverse of sin theta. So that implies, so cosecant theta we got this one. Cosecant theta is equal to, we got k square plus 1 by 2k. So inverse of sin means 1 by k square plus 1 by 2k. So this denominator, this down one will come up. So it will become 2k by k square plus 1. So according to so by seeing this one, so now this became sin theta only. 2k by k square plus 1 means it became sin theta, means this one became sin theta. Inverse of sin is a cosecant we took as inverse of sin. So then it became inversed. It became inversed, means it is now sin theta, not cosecant theta. So by looking this one, I got identity, that is according to identity number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and sin square theta is equal to 1. So now now we need to find cos square theta. We need to prove cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. We need to prove this one. Okay, we need to prove this one. So to prove this one, according to this identity, I will transmit this sin square to this side, and this cos square I will find cos square. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So write that one. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta means we got 2k by k square plus 1. So 6 square means whole square, you keep it as. You keep. Now cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2k square. 2k whole means 4k square it will become, by k square plus 1 whole square. it will become, now cos square theta is equal to k square plus 1 so this one transmitting this side or taking LCM, k square plus 1 whole square, k square we will get like this, k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square by k square plus 1. So this one 4k square means you can write as 4k square into 1. Now k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 it become. Why because here it is looking in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab, it is looking in that form, so that is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so write cos square theta is equal to k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. So now cos square it is cos square theta here, cos square theta it is. So write it, write cos theta now. Cos theta means the square will be cancelled. So for this also square, for this one also square, numerator one there is square and denominator one also there is square, so write together whole square, then it will become cos theta is equal to square root of k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 whole, so this whole square, so root and square will be cancelled, so cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So that one we got, this one we got, hence proved. So this is the another solution, that is method number 4. 4. So this is method number 4 for this question. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do share and subscribe to my channel. And by the way, among these methods, you practice one method well, which is comfortable to you and which you can understand easily. So practice that one well and prepare for and write it very well in your examinations. Okay. So thanks for watching my video.